Okay, that's ear deafening. Woo. No, you can have the rest. You can have the rest. You can have the rest. I'm not recording. I've been waiting this for all day. So what else you have right there? Guys, we're using whatever these are. I swear to God, if I die from these.
I'm going to throw it.
Oh, pop it? It's okay. Okay, Logan. We may have to run. This one's full of TNT! Ow! What's those? What are those? What are those? Tell me. Phil, tell me what those are.
These are Roman candles.
Oh, okay. Can I throw them at you?
No, you can't throw them.
Okay, give me. Let me try one. Let me try one.
I don't know which way is the aim. I guess where I'm choosing mine at.
Hey, don't
This way. Yeah, Logan. Okay, guys, shoot him at us. Shoot him at us. Woo, woo, woo. Logan. Just try. It won't hurt anyone. Won't hurt anyone. Shoot him at us, guys. Oh, this one just stabbed me, bro. How fun is this?
Your thing's in my eyes. Don't do that.
Okay,
Don't blind me.
how's it? Okay, my stepbrother's worrying about getting blind, and there's no reason to get blind. Shoot him at us, guys! Shoot him at us! Oh, what the fuck? Whoa, 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 whoa. 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 Jesus Christ! You guys are psychopaths! It hit Logan in the nuts, guys!
Almost.
My ear's gone!
You wanted me to throw it at you?
No, my ears or something else. Wait, you hold it? I have to shoot at you guys.
No.
I'll shoot at Logan. I'll shoot at Logan. Okay, hold this.
Give me that thing. You're dangerous.
No.
No! We were kidding.
Guys, light it up.
Watch this.
Light it up. Hey, guys. Hey.
Hey, you don't have any more? There's the lights in there.
Hey, can you light this one up?
That's a hit video.
There's more. Don't light it at me. Point it this way, dipshit.
Try that again.
Oh. I'm about to hit myself in the nose.
Why me?
I'm about
Oh my God!
I think he died. Bro, these.
Are you okay?
I think I'm deaf.
He took one to the stomach.
Are you okay? I'm deaf.
Logan or
Yeah, I'm okay.
I can't hear anything.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay? Sure. Logan, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Logan, you okay?
Robin, are you bleeding?
Can
you check up the scars?
So you bleeding?
Can you check up?
Dad, I'm deaf. Give me a minute.
Maybe a little scarring? Do you know you're born?
I'm a good aimer. Woo. Woo. Bro, I just injured my brother because I hit him. Oh.
Do you at least have a little peroxide?
No. We got
Don't even worry about that. We'll throw him in the pool.
Ooh.
We teach toughness here.
Hey, I got hit one of those and it did not
Oh,
hurt.
thank you. At least I can see what I'm doing.
Next year it'll be Caden's turn.
Oh, yeah, Kaden. Next year we're going to put you out.
Hey, actually, I already got hit like 7 times.
You like that?
I'm in the bed.
Hey guys, can you help me open this? I'm gonna light it. I'm gonna light it, guys. Can you help me?
You're gonna like this? Did your dad say it was okay?
I'm gonna go ask him right now, actually. I'm gonna light this thing. It actually is like $90. I think so. Dad. Hi, Dad. Can I light one of these?
No, not right now.
Dang it. So right now I can't light this, but I will soon. When he gives me the lighter. Damn it. He doesn't have a lighter right now, so he's
Did he say
hitting
you
out.
can do it?
He's hitting out right now.
Okay.
Poor Logan.
Oops.
Sam will be happy.
Is it a pop that?
Oh, I thought that was fake. Don't give him, don't
I won't throw
put them near me. I'll kill you.
It's always
Oh,
serious.
Spencer's crying. Oh, sorry.
What
What about these?
Can you put all of them in my hand?
What?
Can you put all of them in my hand right now? I'm like,
Put them all in your hand.
yeah.
I can't even see the bag.
I
Oh,
want
thank you.
one.
No, you had enough.
Please.
Am I doing it right?
I don't know.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to empty the damn bag. Can you open the bag? I can't see. How about lighting these?
Yeah, obviously.
We can't. I have to wait for my dad.
Oh, right.
There goes
Oh,
one.
watch this, guys.
Can I have one?
Oh.
I want one more.
Where's the? Oh, there.
Can I light one? Can I light one? I don't really want to light one.
I don't know where the lighter's at.
Guys, where's the lighter?
Phil has it, I think.
Phil.
I don't want like this.
Okay.
Phil. Where's Phil?
Oh, those are big ones.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Where's Phil? Oh, Phil's up there. Go get the lighter from Phil up there.
Phil, can I get the lighter? Come here.
Mother hates fireworks.
Hey guys, I'm gonna light this big candle. It's a big candle. Not a
Oh
candle.
no, they got they're out of town. They're out of town.
Yeah, we're getting a car wash. This is perfect. Okay,
Boom.
one.
I swear to God, Dad.
Light the lighter.
I am. The lighter's so weak. Give me a minute, Dad. Won't light. Won't. Okay, I'll light it next round. We'll get some good luck.
Oh, that was excellent.
Woo.
Let me try to videotape that one.
I'll make it into a YouTube video. Hey, can I try to light that one? That one's easy.
Oh, where we live? Oh, really?
Guys, let's cover my ears because